starring Jillian Ward, Carmina Villaruel. Miss Mau GMA Prime po, air June 6, 2024, starring Raver Cruz, Jasmine Curtis Smith, Lizelle Lopez, Joey Pascual, Martin Del Rosario with Miss Gina Alahar, directed by Direct Lawrence Gillian. Miss Mau, GMA Best Time Ever, starring Michael B. Bitoy, aired May 18, 2024. Miss Mau co-hosted with Sir John Fair of Pepito Manaloto last June 29, 2024. Miss Mau soon sa Netflix po, The Batman, starring Julian Santos Agoncillo, and Kapamilya Primetime, Vida Lavendersfield, starring Janine Gutierrez, Jericho Rosales, Julina Magdangal po, ayan, with Diamond Star, Maricel Soriano, and Edo Manzano, starring Joey Santa Maria, bago ko makalimutan. God bless!